All right, so real-time reports is a great way for all the content marketers in general to look at. You push out a piece of content, maybe it's an email, maybe it's a social media campaign, maybe you just tweeted about something that you think will resonate with your users. You can come here and look at if that's driving traffic. Great way to debug something. When we implement certain things, we use this extensively. Hey, I just enabled this event tracking. Is that coming through on my site or not? You can look at that in the events section right here. So you have this and this. So events, you can see all your events that are coming across. Here is button clicks, generate leads, blog post views. Drilling down on any of these will show you the event parameters that you are passing. Hey, let's look at post author. So here is 23 events are happening by where the author is event, and 4 by event admin and women. We don't have a lot of authors writing on our site, but if we did, then you can see that by passing these parameters. So I wanted to know, hey, who's looking at this content? Which author's content is driving? I just passed that information in my event parameter, and it started to show up here. So is everybody familiar with how to pass information to GA4 or not? How many of you are familiar with Google Tag Manager? Tariq, if you can figure out that or write a question for people. So I know what your level of understanding is. This is also tells you by audience. You can create audience groups. So this will tell you which audience group your users are following. So for example, I have a group of US audience. So I know right now there are 62 users. Of those, 16 are fall into this group. I can also create an audience group of logged in users or logged in users from this country or logged in user from this country who have lifetime value of this much, logged in users who have come back to my site and watched more than 5 pieces of content and read them, etc. Your imagination. Go back to what do I want to know? What will help me become a better marketer? What will help me become better at writing or producing this content? Whatever your questions are, you can do that right here. And here is how you're acquiring users. Okay, and then top pages where people are looking at. So that's real time is really, really good for debugging something when you make it live. Then you can go in and dig deeper here. And those who want a free ebook, there is a 50 things you should know about GA4 ebook. Here is a link for that, bit.ly.com/GA4 ebook. And those who want to learn with me, go deeper. I have a full academy on Optizent Academy. You can also get $100 off for this today with this webinar.